Hey, welcome back. So this section is all about debugging. So we've seen errors up until this point. We've encountered some myself just in the videos. You've probably seen me, miss a colon here or there, get a syntax error, or maybe a different type of error. And we're going to go through a lot of the different common errors that Python has. But more importantly, later in this section, we'll learn how to handle those errors and how to do certain things when we get an error so that our entire application doesn't break. Unfortunately, there's actually not that much for us to discuss. It will be a pretty quick, compact section. Let me just go over the objectives first. So there's only three main things. First, I just want to go through in a single video some of the common errors and how you would get them, how you would cause them in Python. So some of these we've already seen, some of them might be new. And then after we have a better understanding of the errors that we can get, we'll use something called PDB to set breakpoints, Python debugger, and step through our code to understand better where things are going wrong. And then finally, we'll learn to use try and except blocks to actually handle errors. So if an error is thrown, instead of just shutting everything down in our code, we'll learn to use try and except to prevent a meltdown and run some other code or try the same thing again with a different input. Well, it will make sense when we get there. Okay, so just three objectives really boils down to understanding errors, figuring out what we're doing wrong with the Python debugger, and then the third thing, and probably most important, is handling errors when they come up in our own code.